You ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Hello everybody and welcome back to the shop. And today we are going to feature the tractor, but we also have ourselves a guest and a build partner. So, but you know what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking the box down, we're going to take the dash panel, we're going to take this deck off, and we're going to get down to the frame. So, figure out some things on the frame, what's wrong with it, get them fixed, and then we're going to come up with a design concept, custom concept, and fabricating. So, stick around, because we got some building to do. Right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm glad you're still with us. First thing we got to do is we got to take this box off right here, and this dash panel. So, you want to take these switches out for me? Oh, that one just fell out. That's one last thing you got to do.
Why?
Why? Because it was loose. So you take that one out, and I'll work on the back.
Why the back?
Because there's bolts back here. Yep, he's going to take care of the dash panel for me, and we're going to put you on a bird's eye view of what's on the inside. Yep. Now looking up here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's two bolts right here that actually takes this panel off. And that's what we're doing right now. Taking this top panel off. Oops.
Hang on.
Yeah, that one might give you a little bit of fits. Okay. Well, hold on.
It's just only loose.
There it goes. There it goes. Going the wrong direction.
I see. Hey.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
All right. And then the next thing we got to do is we also got to take this steering column out right here.
That might.
So we got to disconnect it. And down here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's two bolts right here that we got to take out. And when we take that out, the steering column comes right out. So we got all the tools to do it. Sometimes they put different bolts and size bolts on these, which kind of makes it a little bit harder for us to do the job. So hold on there, bud. It looks like we got a different size bolt on the bottom. We'll try to do that right, line it up with it right. Here we go. You got it.
These things are coming out too.
Those are coming out. It's like I described in previous videos. Sometimes it's easy and sometimes it wants to be a pain. This is wanting to be a pain. So, but it's okay. It's part of the build. Now you want to leave the bolt on there, which and the reason why is because you got to turn the wheels to move. Now back up, Michael. Get out of there.
Yeah.
Okay, get out of there because I got to turn the wheels here.
They can't see.
And got to turn the wheels like that.
So that he can get to the bolt.
So we can get to the other bolt, because the other bolt would be behind. And because of that, you can't get the wrench up there. So just turn the wheels, and then you can go in here and take this off. But you want to try to keep them as finger tight as you can, so that way you can get back in there. You want to hold that steering wheel for me there, bud? When you loosen these up, they actually
Come straight off.
becomes very loose on the steering wheel, so it's really helpful to have somebody holding the steering wheel. And we'll give you a bird's eye view of the sock absorber. Of course, you got this wire in the way.
And this thing's trying to be
I'm pretty sure we're going to have ourselves a bear tractor. And my little buddy here. Okay, now, Mark, you got to back it up just a little bit here.
Like
Because
that?
you're catching my arm. My little helper. This is,
I remember that.
is really going to be a monkey for me. Up there, hold it right there. Hold the dash in the console right where it's at. That's perfect. Get this bolt off. Here we go.
And
then you unscrew the other one, which should be finger tight. There we go. Oh, we didn't take that off. Got the rest for that? He's so helpful. Ooh, let me hold that for you. Ooh. He's such a good helper. Ooh. Sometimes you gotta continue to use the wrench. Let me push that bolt back in there. Oh, gotta go the other way.
no.
Right.
Never
Oh, there we go. You got it. You're right. Thinking righty tighty, lefty loosey, but yep, sometimes they're not finger tight, are they? But we're determined. Yes, we are. Just got one more bolt. Actually, you really didn't have to take this off, but that's okay. Matter of fact, that might go through the steering, so we might be able to get the steering column off. You have to peel this, and then take this thing off. You might be able to pull that steering wheel chuck right through that hole right there.
I'm trying to get tired.
It might be. There it goes. Yeah, see, there's a square stop that you gotta push the nut through, so that way it holds it. Are we having fun? Uh-huh. Yes? Alright. Oop. Now just real quick, one of the things that I forgot to mention. This little thing this handle right here, basically you just pull it off just like that. It comes right out. And we should be able to just pull it right out like that. And that's how you take the dash out. Whoa. Okay, now we got some bolts right here that we're in the process of taking out. We got one here. We have one over here, which is in the front side of the tractor. It's right where the dash panel used to be plugged, hooked up to. And then we have another one right here. And then we got another one in the opposite corner. Right here. And those are basically the bolts that we were taking out. We done moved all the wiring out of the way. We did not disconnect any of the wiring. So you do not want to disconnect the wiring. You want to keep all the wires hooked up because we're going to schematic those wires. So, but we're going to put you back up on the tripod and we're going to take these bolts out, me and my little helper. So, we got some building to do. You got it?
Well, this thing's getting.
It's amazing what an 11-year-old can do.
This thing's getting away.
Yeah. Well, hold on. Maybe we need to put a little up on here.
Dad,
Huh?
I gotta go and work this year.
Okay. Yep. Well. Ooh, this one's a real doozer.
Okay, can you skip that one? I can get it now.
I don't know. It's
Let me try.
taking everything I got.
Let me try, Dad. Let me try. Dad. Ouch.
Hold on, bud. This one's.
Let me try it.
Okay, that one. Let's see if I can get this one. Oh, this one was some rubber.
Well, this thing I sent in the way.
Yep. Sometimes they don't
Can I try?
come off easy.
Dad. Go on. Let me try.
I think I might have to listen up where you can get it.
Okay.
Yes. Hold on, man. Yep. Probably got some dirt and grease and grum. And
Okay, I can get it.
there he goes. Right there.
Let me try.
Now you got to flip the wrench back when you're on it. Okay. Yep. You get that
It's
one.
videoing.
Yep. We're still videoing. We're videoing, having fun.
I can get that one.
Hmm. Yep. Yeah. Okay. You get that one. So 13.5 inch. Yeah, we're having fun. And of course you might be able to see all the dirt and grass and all the stuff that's accumulated in here, and we're going to clean that out. Another reason why we got to tear them down too, we're looking for all the extra stuff that we got to get rid of. And then we'll end up cleaning all this up really nicely and wipe it down real good, degrease it. Oop.
I got it.
Okay, where's the other one like this?
Oh.
Oh boy. Can't. Yeah, these right here, these are Sims that actually go in. Hold on, let me show our viewers here real quick. It actually hooks up to the steering wheel, and up there it is. And these are Sims. And you want to keep these. These are very, very important. So you want to hold on to these. You want to pay attention to them, because if you lose them, you can't hook the steering wheel up right.
Daddy.
That's what tightens up the steering wheel.
Your
It
hand.
makes it float. Takes quite a bit of time to get these out. You know, right there, little helper. You've been working on this, what, about an hour?
What?
You've been working on it, what, an hour?
No. When?
Half an hour? So?
I don't know.
You know, if we would have had soccer match, it would be out by now. I think Daddy needs to get a soccer set. What do you think? You don't know?
I think we were doing it the wrong way.
Doing it the wrong way?
I don't know.
Well, you gotta go my way with it.
Hmm?
You gotta go towards me when you're unscrewing it.